guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and don't forget to click the all notification bell so you'll be the first to get my uploads once they are uploaded. And very, very important, that thumbs up. If you don't thumbs up, YouTube will not recommend my videos to you. So please like my videos. I feel like I haven't done a vlog video for you guys, for myself, because I like to do videos as well. I like to vlog. I haven't done one in a while, so I'm going to do my weekly laundry routine. And yeah, if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I greatly appreciate your subscription. And to my existing subscribers, my rider guys, my Roddy Dotties, you guys know I love you. I love you all. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you do watch my content and you like my content, go ahead and thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Alright, let's get right into the video. Oh, one more thing, please do enjoy this awesome lighting. Check it out. Isn't it awesome? Check out my green top. I love this color, right? I can't guarantee that when I get to the washroom, we're going to get this perfect lighting. So, ride or die. Ride or die. You know how it goes. Roddy Dotties, right? Alright. But I do have white lighting inside there, so it should be fine. But I don't think it's going to be this perfect. So I wish I had perfect lighting throughout the entire house. So far, I haven't been able to accomplish it, but I'm working on it. I have this humongous screen in the back. Anyways, yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm adding my laundry detergent. And I'm gonna do a load. I'm gonna add my fabric softener. To this load. Okay guys, so I have some clothes that's already washed, so I'm going to go ahead and fold those and put them away while that load is going. guys, so now I'm transferring some stuff from the washing machine over to start on another Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is dry this last load that I am doing and take it from the washing machine to the dryer. I just want to show you how white the towel came out. It's really nice and clean, and it smells so delightful. I just love the scent. It's just so good. So let's transfer it over to the dryer.
I said bedding, but I meant towels.
And very dry, temperature high, and start. Alright, so that's that. I hope you did enjoy this weekly laundry routine video. If you did, don't forget thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.